Hey everyone, today I will show you how to increase transfer limit on UBA app. First of all, open the UBA mobile app and log into your account. Make sure you are connected to a secure network before proceeding. Once you are logged in, go to the settings or profile section of the app. Look for an option labeled transaction limits or transfer limit. This section will allow you to view and manage your transfer limit. Select the option to increase your transfer limit. You may be prompted to verify your identity with a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number. Some accounts may require additional authentication for higher limits. Once you have entered the necessary information, confirm your new transfer limit. You should see an update reflecting the new limit, which is now ready for use. And that's it. You have successfully increased your transfer limit on the UBA app. Thanks for watching.